What is an API? Have you ever wondered how different apps communicate with each other? How does your weather app fetch real-time updates? How do payment gateways process transactions securely? The answer lies in APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It acts as a bridge that allows two different applications to exchange information. Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant. You place an order, the waiter delivers it to the kitchen, and then brings your food back. APIs work in a similar way, enabling one system to request data or services from another. Let's look at some real-world examples. When you log into a website using your Google or Facebook account, the site doesn't store your password. Instead, it sends a request to Google's API, which verifies your credentials and responds with the necessary data. Weather apps don't generate forecasts themselves. They request data from a weather API, which provides real-time updates. Online payment systems also rely on APIs. When you enter your card details on an e-commerce website, the site doesn't process the payment directly. It calls a payment API like Stripe or PayPal, which securely handles the transaction and confirms the payment status. APIs work through requests and responses. One application sends a request, and the API fetches the required data from another system, then returns a response. Many APIs use REST or GraphQL, which are common ways of structuring these requests. APIs are important for several reasons. They allow automation, enabling apps to work together without manual input. They improve efficiency by letting developers use pre-built solutions instead of creating everything from scratch. They also enhance security by controlling how data is accessed and transferred between systems. Without APIs, most modern apps and services wouldn't function the way they do. Every time you use an online service, there's a good chance an API is working in the background to make it possible.